Hello guys, as we wait for a few of the parts to arrive for the BSA Lightning, I'm just going to turn my attention to poor old Frank's Triumph Bonneville. It's been in the garage for quite some time and I'm finally getting back to it. Well, you may recall this bike from quite a while ago now. One video I think with us running up and down the street when Frank first got it, and then another video when I cleaned and polished this original gas tank, and I just love it. I love the patina, I love the style of this peardrop tank from the United States versions versus the British or European spec bikes as well. So this again is a 1977 T140V Bonneville 750. It's a oil in frame bike, meaning the oil is actually contained within this frame member here, versus in an oil tank here that we would have had with the pre-unit bikes as well. Disc brake on the front and the rear as well, so it's getting pretty modern now, hydraulic brake system. So jobs to do on this bike, get it back on the road for a start, but in order to do that need to work on the carburetors, some electrical work at the headlight and the handlebars, and then just some cosmetic stuff as well. Bought a few replacement parts. There was a problem with one of the forks that I'll explain. But other than that, it should be mostly cosmetic, mostly cleaning, refurbishing, and then we'll see if we can get this bike back to Frank again after all this time. So one of the first jobs will be just to thoroughly clean the carburetors. I'd bought carburetor kits for both the carburetors. They're split into separate boxes, and I actually disassembled these some time ago. And then the other boxes just contain some parts that I'd ordered in the past for Frank's bike, just to replace damaged or worn parts, and then some cosmetic stuff as well. So for example, the embellishment for the Triumph badge, they were damaged, and so I got these on eBay. They're original, second-hand. They're obviously not perfect, but they're very nice condition. And same applies, I've tried to replace it with period correct products where I can, just to kind of maintain that look and feel of the bike and the patina. Okay, so that's the battery tray reinstalled, and now it's time for the side panels, the side covers. I gotta say, I'm not a big fan. I've never really liked these big side panels for the oil-in frame bikes. I believe you can get the earlier style rounded ones, like the bikes from the 60s, which I think are much more attractive, but it just seems like a lot of work to put a side case on. So anyway, here we go.